Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new page on your Shopify store. So first you can open your Shopify dashboard and go to your online store here. And then after that, as you can see, there is pages option here. You can click it. And in this page, as you can see, I have two pages, Google Form and Contact. And if I want to add new one, I can just click add page here in the top right corner. You can click it. And then this is the title. You can type whatever you want. Let's say I want to add new page about my company, so I will type our company. So for the content, you can choose to generate text here by using AI, or you can just paste your company description here. Let's say my company is good, just like this. And you can choose the visibility. If you want to it's keep hidden for temporary, you can just click hidden. I will just click visible here, and then you can choose the template. I will just choose default template and then click save here. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.